Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli. I'm excited to be here to continue to talk to you, share with you this amazing opportunity, and just show you a little bit of what is possible when you decide to take action and get started. As a matter of fact, this very morning I woke up to another new premium level customer bringing me another $600 instant pay, 100% commission, and here it is right here. I do have a lot of results-oriented videos and proof on my different social media accounts out there. So I just want to show you that this is the real deal. It's very real. I've been doing digital marketing for quite a while. Absolutely love it, so I can absolutely help you. But this is what I was able to wake up to, and this can truly become your new reality too once you plug into the system, get access to the training, the blueprint, the community, and the entire 9 yards. We've got everything here for you to equip you with the skills that you need to go out there and utilize and have results just like this coming your way, coming into your bank account just like this. Okay, so let me just show you. This is what came in this morning. Here was another recent payment, another recent payment, another recent payment, just to show you a little bit of what is possible. Okay, just a very small snippet of, the big picture. But this is our community. This is where I really want to share with you and bring you inside so that you can see that people from all around the world are here and we are celebrating everybody's successes and wins each and every single day. We have members from all over the world pouring in to not only this opportunity, they're getting started. When they do, we send them an invite into this awesome digital growth community. Well over 9,000 members worldwide, growing strong every single day. So here's the community right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on wins for you. Okay. And as you can see, folks, this is what's possible. Okay. 6,300 in 2 weeks, $600 ding, $1,200 day, $620 day, $900 day, $900 day, $600 ding. Okay, 2 $300 dings, an $800 day, another $600 came in. And we're celebrating everybody's success and win, irregardless of how small or large. Okay, we're going to give you everything you need to be able to succeed. Look, $300 before 10 a.m. Look at this. This is just absolutely positively amazing. Third $1,200 day this week. $600 ding on a brand new TT, that's TikTok account. Okay. Now I'll just show you one more page. So I think you probably get the gist of this though, folks. I'm going to look at this all week long. See, celebrating small victories. We celebrate small, medium, large, irregardless of what the sell is. Okay. We do have currently we have 4 different digital products. We have a basic, we have an elite, we have a pro, and we have a premium. Our premium, definitely by far is the most popular, no doubt about it. That's the $600 digital product, but you can see, folks, what is coming in. Look, another 300. This person's doing a happy dance, 1,800 in less than 24 hours. Okay. Look, quitting 9-to-5 job. Look, hey guys, when would you say it's okay? So see, people are already contemplating. They have specific goals, okay, and objectives. And this particular person definitely wants to obviously quit their job. And we have had plenty of people inside of this amazing community who have been able to successfully already accomplish that. So if that happens to be your goal for 2024, it's very realistic. It's very doable. Okay, you just have to take action, get started. And, plug into the system, plug into the training. Look at this, $1,200 day. Okay. Look, my first $600 sell. And see, here happens to be my little testimonial right here from 13 hours ago. This is a $600 customer that I was, met with by a pleasant surprise this morning when I woke up and checked my email. See, woke up to another 600 this morning. This is so much fun. These automations really work, and this is going to be the best year for everyone. Okay, and I'd love nothing more than to include you and be able to celebrate your wins and your successes too when you get started as soon as you do. Okay, look, 600, 650. And that just continues to go on. Another 600 on my live this morning, $600 while dancing on the walking trail, 600 as I get the kiddos off to bed. So, we have a system that runs largely on automations. That's how we're able to go out there and live our lives, do what we want to do, do what we enjoy doing, and have our system working for us, doing what it does best, which is our telling, our selling, and our explaining for us, so that we don't have to. And the best part about it is, folks, this is a completely rejection-free business model. So with the way we're set up and positioned, you don't have to stress. You don't have to worry about talking to people and ever being greeted with the word no ever again. I love this digital growth community. Look at this, folks, 9,600 members, okay? 9,600 members. I'd love to invite you into this community as soon as you get started. Inside of this, you're going to have access to the classroom, where you're going to have additional supplemental training above and beyond what's in your digital products, in your actual digital products of your back office, okay? This is a separate additional community where we're going to give you so much more training and value and content to truly equip you for success, equip you with the skills so that you can have success by following a 2-hour workday, okay? Plugging into a simple step-by-step process with access to the blueprint and all this wonderful training and the community, folks. We have webinars throughout the week. We have training webinars. We have mentoring webinars. We have all kind of Zooms. We have opportunity Zooms. As a matter of fact, this coming Friday, I'm going to drop the link below in the description. We are going to be hosting a very, very special webinar because we're getting ready to release 3 more new digital products. So imagine the doors that are going to be opened up. Imagine the potential and the possibilities that members inside of this community are going to have access to really enhance and not only increase our skill set, but give us so much more training, so much more value, and of course, so much more income potential. So please stay tuned for that. I believe it's going to be happening this coming Friday, March the 1st. We're going to kick off a brand new month. We're going to kick it off in a big, big way, 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. The link will be below, in addition to the link to my website. Okay, but before I close out, I'll go over all that with you one more time. But look at this, folks. I'm just going to give you a quick sneak preview. This is where you start. You follow 7 additional step-by-step videos. This is the blueprint. It shows you exactly what to do, okay, on days 1 through 7, okay, and then days 8 through 14. So this is like a 2-week initial startup to really help you to jumpstart your results and your success, okay? Again, this is additional supplemental above and beyond what is inside of your actual digital products inside of your back office, okay? So you're going to have getting started training. It's going to show you exactly what to do, how to do it. We are currently in the midst of this wonderful 90-day run, a vision sprint, and see, here's all of the videos, daily videos, exactly what to do. We're currently upwards of day 58. Tomorrow will be day 59, almost 2 months in. And we are just, having so much success, as you can see. So every single day you're going to have a video to follow, to plug into, to really show you the way, exactly what to do and how to do it. And this is very simple, folks. There's no tech involved. You don't have to create any kind of fancy websites or funnels or any of that. As a matter of fact, once you get the invite into this community, you will have a very high converting free funnel, which we call it our freedom funnel, and it's out there working for us. It's out there working for us 24/7 on automations. I'll show you what mine looks like before I close out here, okay? So you can follow these every single day. There's a video awaiting you to jumpstart your morning and your 2-hour workflow, folks. So it's all here. We give you complete guidance, direction, pretty much a roadmap within the blueprint, okay? Additional supplemental TikTok training is right here, and it's very simple. It's all step-by-step video training tutorials, okay? So it's very user-friendly, beginner-friendly, basic. I mean, you don't have to have any previous experience. We have people from all walks of life. We have people who have left corporate America. They've come here with great success. We have lots of moms and dads in this community, stay-at-home moms, stay-at-home dads, people who are working JOBs, and they have, big goals and dreams. They want to leave their JOB, which is very doable. It's very realistic. We have lots of members who are currently doing it and have successfully done it. So irregardless of what your goals are, what your objectives are in 2024, folks, the main thing is if you want more in 2024, you're definitely in the right place at the right time, folks, okay? Automated funnels. Now, see, this is the freedom funnel, and we're going to show you how to get this set up. See, step 1. Step 2, Step 3, it's all here outlined. You just follow these simple little videos, okay? We show you how to add your email automations, which are going to be out there working for you 24/7. See, we take people into our funnel, and once they enter their email address, we take them on a little journey. And that journey is a wonderful journey. It's the journey of know, like, and trust. All the follow-ups will go out. You've probably heard, folks, the money's in the list, the fortune's in the follow-up. The process is right here, folks. You set up your Freedom Funnel and you plug in and you share it and you advertise it and you just follow the step-by-step blueprint. Everything is here, folks. See, 6 simple steps to getting this all set up, and then helpful videos and PDFs. Additional supplemental information awaits you. This is just jam-packed with great value, great content. Like I said, we're adding 3 more new digital products. So we're going to be opening up so many more doors, so many more possibilities to really give you everything you need to position you very, very well to be able to accomplish what you want and to make your dreams become a reality in 2024 and beyond. Okay, so here you go, folks. Going back here, see 6 figures in 6 months. Okay, this is for, action takers, high achievers, and it's very doable. Okay, it's very realistic. We've already had members who have, hit this milestone and they're just moving onward and upward. So, pretty much the sky's the limit here. We give you additional free resources that you can plug into and utilize within the classroom. I'm just showing you a little snippet here. See, here's the automated funnel, how to get all this set up. Like I said, 6 simple steps will do the trick for you. And how to find your perfect customer. Folks, this is really life-changing. Once you understand exactly who your perfect customer is, we're going to show you how to create content, free content around that perfect customer, content that your customer is going to be able to relate to and resonate with. And this is going to help you to really enhance and increase your conversions. That's ultimately your signups. And giving you the ability to be able to do that is going to be able to help you to increase the conversion and increase your commissions, okay? So it's all a simple process. It's all here. How to build a faceless brand. So a lot of people ask me this all week long. If they're not comfortable going out there on video, doing talking videos like what I'm doing right now, we have you covered. We have lots of options to be able to promote this, okay? Using free, simple copy, paste, post ads on high traffic free websites. We do that. That's part of our 2-hour workflow. And then we pick one social media platform, one social media account. And if you want to build it with a faceless brand, you have that option. If you want to go out there and do talking like what I do, you have that option. We give you so many different options and possibilities, folks, okay? So see, everything is here. This is on Pinterest. Building a faceless brand on Pinterest. Step-by-step video training tutorials. Very, very easy to plug in and follow, okay? And this is not only an ideal rejection-free business model, but this is learn while you earn, okay? Learn while you earn. So while you're in here learning, you can be earning at the same time, folks, okay? You want to go through the training, you want to apply and implement and take action and just show up every single day, commit and be consistent, okay? And then there's the Faceless Brand. There's the 90-day ramp-up challenge. Here's all of our replays here. So if you're not able to attend the trainings and the opportunity webinars, it's all going to be here. Everything is recorded. And this was our last 90-day run. It's all here. It's all uploaded so you can dive right into that. Okay, so this is absolutely amazing. See, here's all of our mentoring Zoom replays. We have these mentoring Zooms every single week to help you to succeed. And if you're not able to make it, no worries whatsoever because they're all recorded. Look at all this. Look at all this, folks. This is hours and hours of training and pure value, pure content. Okay, so you just want to take your time, go through this. I mean, this training alone, this entire community, it is literally worth thousands and thousands of dollars. And it's going to be given to you for free. When you get started, you will have access to this for free, and we're going to be adding on. We're adding, again, 3 more new digital products. Okay, very, very soon. We're going to be kicking this off this Friday on March the 1st. My link to the webinar invite is going to be below, along with my website. And all you need to do is come to my website, dailypaywithmarybeth.com, enter your email address. You'll come inside, you'll watch a couple videos. Everything's going to be broken down, explained fully and simplistically to you. And of course, with the 3 new digital products, we're going to, of course, have much more training, much more value, much more content. It's going to be wonderful. We're getting ready to do some really big things, folks. Great things are happening, and I'd love for you to become part of the journey with us, okay? You're looking for more in 2024? Look no more. You're here, folks, for a reason. You're in the right place at the right time. You just need to take a leap of faith, take action, get started today. This is where you want to go. Okay, this is where you want to go. My link will be below. You may need to type this into your browser, dailypaywithmarybeth.com. This is the Freedom Funnel. This converts on average 50%, folks, well above the industry average. It's a very high converting funnel. We call it our Freedom Funnel because it works for us on automations to give us back our life so that we're not out there trading time for dollars. It gives us our freedom so we can live a life of what we want to do, when we want to do it, and just have fun helping everybody in the process. So I'd love to invite you to come on inside. Just give me a good email address. Hit yes, send me the blueprint. Come on in. Take your time. Go through everything. This link is going to be below in the description, dailypaywithmarybeth.com, along with the invite link to our March 1st, 1 p.m. Eastern webinar, which I'd love to see you on, okay? Because we're going to be releasing and announcing some really big, exciting things. So you definitely want to hear that live in the moment. If you're able to, no worries. It will be recorded, and of course, I'll be uploading the replay as soon as that becomes available. So until the next time, you take care. Any questions, text or call me. By the way, that's the best way to reach me. My personal contact details are listed below in the description, and I'll see you hopefully soon inside the community. I'm so excited. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited for you, and I'm excited to share this with you, and I'd love to welcome you to the team in advance. See you very soon on the inside. Bye-bye.